Hi, today we're going to be talking about a classroom management system called Edmodo. Why do you want Edmodo in your district? Well, just follow along and you'll see. First of all, what even is Edmodo? It's a classroom management tool. It can include your gradebook, assignments, and quizzes. You can create quizzes within Edmodo, then have your students take each quiz, and once they're graded, they will simultaneously go right into the gradebook, which as a teacher, that's a huge help. Why should you use Edmodo? Because it is super user-friendly. The ease in use for the teachers is impeccable. They can immediately connect it to Office 365 or Google Docs, and if you've ever had another classroom management software piece, sometimes their work would end up missing, even if the day before you had seen it with your own eyes. Because students can save to Office 365 or Google Docs, that information is there and ready for them wherever they are, whatever the computer they set up on. Setting up a classroom is a breeze. After this is over, you can follow the link that I have below to see the quick classroom setup video that I have created before. Who can use Edmodo? Well, students of all ages in a computer lab or on their one-to-one device. Younger students may require a little more assistance at first, but once they get into it, they will understand how to do it. Any adult and any teacher can use it. Parents could log in, and the teachers and administration. What the district needs? Well, you need internet access, a web browser of your choice. I find that Firefox works for me, but I'm sure Edmodo has other ones that work as well. The devices, depending on whether your school district has iPads or labs, computer labs, or they each have their own desktop or Chromebook, they can use whatever device they want, and Edmodo is available. Technical support. If you have questions about Edmodo, you can look to see how easy it is on the how-to video to get tech help and answers. There are a plethora of different pieces throughout Edmodo for you to check out. There's also a link that you can get help 24/7. And as you know, teachers typically are doing work at home after hours, so that having technical help in the middle of the night is super fantastic. How much does it cost the district? It costs you nothing. How can that be? Well, the support from Edmodo has articles on how it can be free, but there is no cost associated with Edmodo. So it is out there available for any district to sign up. There are quizzes you can use. The updates come regularly. There is a grade book that is set up to give you the averages and the different assignments. And you can add additional assignments, not just the ones from Edmodo, obviously. And you can differentiate because each class that I had put in, if you follow that video, has a different code for that class to join that particular class. So depending on the class's skill level, I could give different quizzes for the different grade levels or the skill levels. And standards and goals are out there, and you can use those in your quizzes as well. What have I learned about this app? I've learned that this is a free app. And when I went to create my own classes, I discovered that my district is already signed up for it. But your district, you can check to see as soon as you try to enter a class, you'll see if there are any out there because I signed in with my Google Doc information. And it's pretty easy to use. Any questions you have, there are different spaces and different types of ways for you to learn the information. You can type it in, you can ask tech for help, you can watch some little videos that they have. Students' assignments can be saved in that Word or Google Doc, and like I said earlier, leading to less lost work. There's nothing more frustrating for the students or the teacher than to one day have all of their information there and the next day it be gone, and you know that the student had done the work. So thankfully, this will be a nice addition to have that instant save on Google Docs or in Word. So that's what I know. Thank you for the references. For reference, I really just used all of Edmodo,